Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we are diving deep into the MyOCCU Mobile Banking app, a digital banking solution designed to bring the full power of your credit union right to your fingertips. Whether you're managing daily transactions or keeping track of your savings, this app aims to make your financial life easier and more secure. The MyOCCU app features an intuitive and clean interface, allowing users to effortlessly check account balances, transfer money between accounts, and pay bills without needing to visit a branch. One of the most convenient aspects is the mobile check deposit feature, which lets you deposit checks simply by snapping a photo, saving time and trips to the bank. The app also provides real-time alerts and notifications, so you can monitor your account activity closely and catch any unusual transactions early. Security is a major focus of MyOCCU Mobile Banking. It uses advanced encryption methods, multi-factor authentication, and biometric login options such as fingerprint and facial recognition to protect your data from unauthorized access. These layers of security give users peace of mind while banking on their mobile devices. Another helpful feature is the budgeting tool integrated into the app. It helps you track your spending patterns, categorize expenses, and set financial goals, making it easier to manage your money responsibly. Additionally, the app supports person-to-person payments, so you can quickly send or receive money from friends and family without hassle. Overall, MyOCCU Mobile Banking is a comprehensive, user-friendly app that balances convenience with security. It empowers members of the credit union to handle most banking needs remotely, making everyday financial management simpler and safer. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.